Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Arlene Garcia. It's my little anthem right here. I like to start off with this. No matter what, give it up. Everybody here go up and they stay there. Down, up, down, up, down. All right, it's my little anthem, y'all. I had to start us off with that. But to those of you who don't know me, hey, I'm Dr. Arlene Garcia. I'm an educator, mindset coach, and the voice behind Bittersweet coaching. I teach people how to master their thoughts the same way millionaires master the market, with focus, consistency, and belief. You can do it. Conviction is powerful, man. If you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, you can't. You're both right. Sounds so simple, but it's so true. Today I'm breaking down 7 millionaire mindset shifts that can completely change your money game. It can change your life. This is where the mind makes millions. Y'all ready for this? All right, we're going to start with number 1. From scarcity to expansion. Yes, I said that. From scarcity to expansion. Money isn't running out. It's circulating. It's there, folks. Millionaires stop thinking, can I afford it? And they start asking, how can I create? How can I create this? What solution can I solve? They know wealth expands through creativity, not limitation. Don't chase profits. What solution can you provide humanity, society? Number 2, from working for money to making money work for you. I love this. Stop trading time for income. Yeah, y'all have heard of residual income. I'm sure you have. Start trading ideas, systems, and assets for freedom. Think real estate. Build income streams that pay you even while you rest. Digital products, dividends, automation. You can do this. Listen, I was telling my students the other day about the power of compound interest. So start investing early. This is a $500 secret. And we've been doing this with the students for the last couple of years. It's a simulation. If you start investing $500 a month and in the S&P 500 at age 18, by the time you're 62, you could have over $2.1 million just from staying consistent. $2.1 million. Now check this out. If you wait until you're 28, you only have about $940,000. The S&P grows at about 8 to 10% annually. Some years could be 20%. Some years could be a little lower, 7%. But on average, now check that out. If you wait 10 years, that's a $1.2 million difference. All because of time, not timing. Time. Compound interest. Start early. Stay consistent. Let compounding do the heavy lifting. Make that money while you're sleeping. All right, now this is one too. I've struggled with this. From perfection to progress and compounding, I really dislike making mistakes. I know everyone does, but I really do. But you have to make mistakes. That's life. You're going to make them, and what you learn from the mistake is what makes you even better the next time. Millionaires think in iterations, not perfection. They know consistency compounds faster than talent. Every lesson, post, trade, client interaction stacks up like interest. What did you learn from it? All right, you made a mistake. Now grow. I know it's easier said than done, but you can do it. From consumer to creator. I know we love our social media and so forth. Listen, but don't just watch, scroll, or spend. Create value. Wealthy people see problems as openings. Each solution you provide, every course you build, every service you automate equals equity in a digital age. I'm telling you. Number 5, from external validation to internal authority. I got this. Conviction, baby. You can't build millions with the validation addiction. Say, I trust my own analysis. I showed Shark Tank to my economics class. We watched Doorbot, Now the Ring. Shark kind of laughed at him. He had conviction. He left Shark Tank, sold that company to Amazon, it became The Ring, and made millions. He believed in his business. When you stop needing approval and you start making aligned, bold decisions, the kind that pay dividends. Y'all ready for number 6? All right now. From fear of loss to mastery of risk. Every millionaire understands that risk is information. They don't avoid it. They study it, size it, and manage it. All right? Fear of loss keeps most people stuck at zero. I can tell you that. Understanding risk is how you scale to 7 figures. You know how many times I've cut a trade, I was scared it was going to go back on me? I'm like, let that bad boy run and make that money, girl. No fear of loss. Number 7, from hustle to alignment. Burnout doesn't build empires. Alignment does. You can hustle your way to 6 figures. Y'all ready for this one? But you can flow your way to 7. Now, when your work feels like purpose, wealth becomes inevitable. Now, start investing early. I hope I helped somebody with these 7 tips. If you like more information, comment below. Subscribe to Bittersweet Coaching to get more information and stay in the know. Have a great day, folks.